my magical world of mathematics. Today we are going to learn something about abacus. Okay, in abacus there are different concepts for addition, for multiplication, for division, for all those. We have many different concepts. In that, one of the concept is small friend addition. How to use this small friend addition concept? Let us learn this today. Okay, say you can see the abacus here, and I have written the statements. Also, I will explain what is this later. See, suppose there is one bead on the abacus. Okay, add one. Yes, we can add. There is one more bead. Two beads are touching to the divider. Add one more. Yes, it's possible. There is a bead. Three beads are touching to the divider. Add one. Yes, it's possible. One more bead can add. Suppose four beads are touching to the divider. Add one. But there is no beads. When there is no beads, then we are going to use the concept here. So today we are using the small friend addition. So four beads are touching to the divider. To add one, we should use the small friend addition concept. What is the small friend addition concept? Let us see here. See, 5 fingers are considered as 5 friends. Friends are nothing but, what we call it as complementary numbers. Just like this. 1 and 4 are the complementary number of 5. 2 and 3 is a complementary number of 5. So, isn't it? 3 plus 2 is 5. So, 3 is a complement of 2. And 4 plus 1 is 5. 4 plus 1 is 5. So, 1 complement is 4, 2's complement is 3, 3 complement is 2 and 4 complement is 1. Instead of taking complement of the number, we are using the friends. That's all. Okay. So, once if you know the friends, what do you say? 5 fingers are 5 friends. One's friend is 4. So, which is folding for this? Rest of the fingers are friends. It is for the children to understand better. 2's friend is, means 2 fingers are folding. 2's friend is 3. Okay. 3's friend is 1, 2, 3. 3's friend is 2. 4's friend is 1. So once if we learn the friends, we have to learn the statement for this, how to add the numbers. So what are the statements? To add 1, we know friends now. To add 1, statement is send 4, call 5. To add 2, what is the statement? Send 3, call 5. See what it shows. To add 2, send 3. 2's friend is 3. Okay, so that's what we are using. The friend of the numbers are here. 1 friend is 4. 2's friend is 3. 3's friend is 2. 4's friend is 1. Call 5. This is same for all. To add 3, send 2, call 5. To add 4, send 1, call 5. These are the statement. Once if they learn the statement, it's easy to add on the abacus. How to use that? To add 1, we need now. 1 we should add. But there is no 1. Look at the statement. What is the statement? To add 1, send 4, call 5. That means send the 4 beads away from the divider, call upper bead. So 4 plus 1 is 5. In the same way, suppose 4 beads are touching to the divider, add 2. 2 beads are not there to add. Look at the statement. What is the statement? To add 2, send 3, call 5. To add 2, send 3 beads away from the divider and call upper bead. Send 3, call 5. So 4 plus 2 is 6. In the same way, suppose 4 is on the abacus, add 3. 3 beads are not there to add. Look at the statement. To add 3, send 2, call 5. See, 3's friend is 2. That's what we are using here. To add 3, send 2, call 5. That means send 2 beads away from the divider, call upper bead. So 4 plus 3 is 7. Suppose there is 4 on the abacus, add 4 again. But there is no 4 beads. Look at the statement. So 2 and 4, send 1, call 5. To add 4, send 1, call 5. 4 plus 4 is 8. Okay. In the same way, we are using the same thing for house number 2, house number 3 also. Suppose it is not only like that 4 is there and 1. Suppose 2 beads are there on the abacus. Add 3. Only 2 beads are there. there is no 3 weights. Now we can use the statement. When there is no weights, then we should use this statement. 2 is there, add 3. 3 bits are not there. Look at the statement. To add 3, send 2, call 5. Send 2 bits away from the divider, call up a bit. Send 2, call 5. Suppose there is 2 on the abacus, add 2. Should we use the statement again? Not necessary, because 2 bits are already there. We are using the statement only when there is no bits. So to add 2, yes, you can add it directly. But suppose now 4 is there, add 2. Then we should use the statement. To add 2, what is the statement? Send 3, call 5. Send 3, call 5. So 4 plus 2 is 6. So this is how we are using the small friend addition concept in addition on the abacus. Okay. This is the concept. See how to make the kids to learn this easily. First thing is we should teach this. Which are the friends? One friend is 4, 2's friend is 3, 3's friend is 2, 4's friend is 1. Once if you know which are the friends, it will be very easy to learn the statement. So this also they have to keep it in the mind. Once if it is in the tip of the tongue, this will become very easy to do it. 2 add 1, send 4, call 5. 2 add 2, send 3, call 5. 2 add 3, send 2, call 5. 2 add 4, send 1, call 5. Once if the children know which are the friends of the numbers and what are the statements, then it is very easy to do this very fast, because abacus is something that the addition should be done in addition or multiplication or division or whatever must be done it very fast, so that if they know this well, then it is easy for do this addition. So this is how we are going to use the small friend addition. I think you like it.